Hi, this is Russ Hardy with Fieldpiece Instruments, and today we're going to show you how to calibrate your thermocouples. So we're going to start with the S-Man and the thermocouple pipe clamp. So all we have to do is the temperature on the manifold for the temperature I'm going to be calibrating today is right here, the 68.2 LLT. You'll notice it's a little bit higher than the SLT, so it looks like one of them needs to be calibrated. So we're going to try this one first. So all we have to do is just get a nice bucket of ice water. The trick with the ice water is you want to fill it all the way to the top with ice and then fill it with water so it's a nice stable environment before we put the clamp in. Then all you have to do is stick the clamp in, and you'll notice that it drops really fast, really quickly, but we're going to let it stabilize and stir it around. So let's see how low we can go. Now the ice water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and so my pipe clamp isn't getting down that far. 37, but it looks like it's not dropping very much, so it looks like it's about 5 degrees out of calibration, so we'll just leave it in there. I'll take the screwdriver that came with the S-Man, and the cal pot is right below the thermocouple port, so just match the LLT here to the LLT here. That's when you're turning, and just try to turn it. Oops, looks like I went the wrong way. So we're just going to go slowly down to 32. I'm just barely turning it this whole process. I might do it an 1/8 turn, so it's not going to be very much. And once we get it really close, then we'll take the pipe clamp and stir it around just to make sure that we had it in a stable area. And there we go. That's how you calibrate your pipe clamp. And it basically works the same for any type of product. I have a multimeter over here. Same kind of thing, we just got to find the cal port. So on on our new style meters, it's in the back. So I can just unscrew the back cover. And take my strap. And you'll notice that the cal pot is way in the back right here in the deep end, so that's where it is. So what we're going to do is first see where we're at with our thermocouple. So this one's at 64 ambient. So all we do is just stick the thermocouple in the ice water again. And that one's really close right off the bat. So then we can just twist it just a little bit down. Let's see if that does it. And there we go, 32 right on the nose. Now for each thermocouple port, you do have to calibrate a separate thermocouple. So for example, I calibrated this thermocouple down to 32. If I took this thermocouple out and used another one, it might not say 32 when I stick it into ice water. So let's give it a shot. That one's pretty close, but you notice it's a little bit off. So you can see each thermocouple needs to be calibrated to a specific port for it to be properly accurate. So that's just a note. If you're switching thermocouples from port to port, make sure you do calibrate them, and then just try to use the same thermocouple for the port that you calibrated it to. And that's how you calibrate thermocouples.